the slot right here was covering this part of the pump right here. So this was being blocked off by this. I radius that off, and now we should have better flow. This skinnier one, this one goes on first. Very thin film of Yama Bond on here. Nice and sticky. I got that gasket covered on both sides with a real thin film. I got all three of these studs. This stud, and this stud loose, just so this goes in easy. You do not want to get sealant in this groove. That's your oil return. So you want to keep it on the outside. Now for this gasket, again, very, very thin amount of this stuff. Do not want this stuff spreading into that groove. The suction from the pump, if anything starts to leak out, it'll pull it back in through this little crack right here. So if it starts to leak anywhere in that circle, that'll pull it back in. I am basically just getting this sticky. I'm gonna stick it right on here. Now that she's nice and tacky. There's another spot where it covers that hole. And I'm going to take a razor blade and I'm going to cut that off of there. Better. I'm going to coat these threads a little bit so that this thing hopefully doesn't back out. There you go.